So the winter's here and we're almost buttoned up from sailing. It's just a case of finding things to keep us occupied.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Still got Baru. Baru is but finished. I don't need to do any more work on Baru. Got one or two jobs I want to do on Ava Grace, but I've also taken up painting again. So at the moment I'm working in acrylics. The first one I've done it's just a mock-up from a little bit of Lindisfarne with a few yachts scattered here and there at anchor, or on mooring balls to be precise. The second one was Sunderland's Atlantic 85. We're actually going to present that to the Sunderland crew in thanks for coming out to our aid last month, plus a little bit of an envelope with a bit of a donation for their Christmas fund. The third painting I've done is a scene from Amble with the fishing boats, and here's this one. So we're in at Sunderland Marina at the moment. We've come up to present the painting I did of their Atlantic 85 when it came out to rescue us about a month ago, and to give a little donation to the station here. We visited Sunderland the day after Storm Claudia hit. Quite surprising how much wood debris there was on the inside of Broker Pier on the beach. I assume it's come down from the River Weir. Well, winter's here. First fall of snow coming. I'm just testing a new DJI mic, which is I've bought through funds from our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. We got a pay. Well, I'm due a payment. Anyway, I was up at 12:45 last night, howling gale, pouring with rain. Why? There was an almighty thunk as I got bashed around in bed, and it wasn't Janet hitting me. No, our fender protecting this corner popped under the stress. You see it there, look. And the back of the boat hit the pontoon. No damage, but I was up. I had to quickly try and get some fenders down. I'll sort these out once this snow stops, because it's cold. One of the other things that we've done to try to keep the drafts out, actually just put a thin film of plastic. It's very difficult to see because it's on, but it's shrunk wrapped onto the frame. That's our heating just shuts off, and that just keeps the coolness away, just simulates a little bit of double glazing, doesn't it? And you can see we've not got a lot of condensation on these windows, and you probably see in the background there through the snow is falling onto Baru.
Snow is falling all around us. People having fun.
Yeah.
Tis the season to be jolly. Merry Xmas, Christmas, whatever to everyone.
So this is a project that I'm going to be working on shortly. This is our starboard side saloon wall. We're going to slat it, put 2 drawers in either side, keep the drinks cabinet as is. Put that down, you can see the drawers there. We've got quite a bit of space behind that wall that is underutilised. Well, we can't get to it, so I'm going to make some cassettes that'll hold the drawers. So there'll be cassettes that stick out like that, but sealed, closed in, and they'll sit behind the wall, and then we'll put drawers into those cassettes. So quite an interesting little project. I've got this is an acoustic panel. I've ordered a couple of them to come, and we'll be working on that probably next week. So the DJI mic that I'm using it's the DJI Mini. It comes in this lovely little box with a handbag. Twin mic system. That is the second mic. It's flashing at the minute there. And it's connected, so I'll be picking up on 2 mics now. And that's a charging case. Very nice. We'll see how this goes and see how our audio runs, as long as I remember to take it all with me. And just an update on our washer dryer. It's busy working away here in the aft laundry room. So it's been installed about five months now, and it gets quite a bit of use, doesn't it, Janet?
No, of course not. I wash clothing every 3 days, and then once a week I have a towel wash and a bedding wash. That ain't very much.
Yeah, anyway, since we've installed it...
You haven't got wet and cold. Since you've installed it, you haven't got wet and cold. And you don't know when I'm washing, because I just do it. I just sort of go, oh, have I got enough water in the tank? Oh, so yes, you do get wet and cold.
Since we installed it, we've saved, we reckon, around about £320 in laundry fees. And our electric bill, because we've had a bill through the marina, went up by £20. So you could say it saved us 300 quid, which is fantastic because it's almost paid for the washer.